What if the one crypto that everyone left for dead is about to stage the single biggest comeback in history? Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Back in 2021, many thought Solana's story was over after a brutal market crash and some serious network stability issues. But here in 2025, its incredible comeback is making it look like the single most important altcoin investment of this cycle. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how Solana's breakthrough technology and a flood of institutional money are creating the perfect storm for huge returns, and how you can get positioned for it. Let's be real, we're all looking for that one investment. The one that doesn't just give you a 20 or 30% gain, but one that could actually be life-changing. The trouble is, the crypto market is a minefield. You've got Ethereum, the undisputed king of smart contracts, but its gas fees can make it totally unusable for the average person. Then you have thousands of other altcoins, all claiming they're the next big thing, but most of them will just fade away. This is the exact problem Solana was built to fix. When it launched in 2020, its mission was simple: build a blockchain that's lightning fast, ridiculously cheap, and can scale for billions of users. After the FTX collapse in 2022, many people wrote Solana off completely. Its price cratered, and being tied to Sam Bankman-Fried felt like a death sentence. But that's where the story gets interesting. Instead of falling apart, Solana's developers just kept building. Fast forward to today, October 2025, and Solana isn't just surviving, it's thriving. Here are the main reasons why it's set up for explosive growth. First, the tech is finally hitting its stride. Solana's major 2025 upgrades, Firedancer and Alpenglow, are total game changers. Firedancer is a new validator client that dramatically boosts the network's performance and, more importantly, its reliability. This directly fixes the network outages that haunted Solana in the past, turning its biggest weakness into a core strength. Solana Alpenglow is a significant, upcoming consensus upgrade for the Solana blockchain that replaces its existing architecture to dramatically increase speed and reduce latency. It aims to achieve sub-second transaction finality around 150 milliseconds, increase bandwidth, and simplify the protocol by replacing the current proof of history and tower BFT with two new components: voter for consensus and rotor for data propagation. That uses a single-hop relay model to broadcast blocks faster than the previous turbine architecture. These upgrades are aiming for over 1 million transactions per second, making it faster than a credit card swipe for a fraction of a penny. Second, institutional money is pouring in. We're not talking about a few small funds. We're talking about the biggest names in finance. Pantera Capital's founder called Solana the firm's biggest crypto position, with a holding of $1.1 billion. The CME Group, which is the world's largest derivatives marketplace, just launched regulated options for Solana futures, giving big money investors a trusted way to get exposure. And get this, ARK Invest's Q3 2025 report showed that Solana generated $223 million in real economic value, beating all other blockchains. Third, the ecosystem is on fire. Solana's total value locked, TVL, recently smashed its all-time high, hitting over $42 billion, a huge vote of confidence from users. In the last 24 hours alone, its decentralized exchanges saw $5.84 billion in trading, even surpassing Ethereum's $5.75 billion. This isn't just hype, it's driven by real usage, with millions of active addresses using the network for everything from DeFi and NFTs to new AI applications. Now, no investment is a sure thing, and we have to look at the challenges. The biggest risk for Solana has always been network stability. While massive upgrades like Firedancer are designed to solve this for good, the memory of past outages still lingers. Competition is another thing to watch. Ethereum isn't just sitting back, and plenty of other Layer 1 blockchains are fighting for the same piece of the pie. Finally, some people still have concerns about centralization, since the hardware needed to run a Solana validator is pretty expensive. And of course, the entire crypto market is always subject to wild price swings and changing regulations. If you're getting value from this breakdown, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop deep dives like this every day to help you stay ahead of the curve in crypto. For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, join our Insiders Club on our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. And let me know in the comments, what's your end-of-year price target for Solana? So, what does this all mean for Solana's price? As of October 2025, Solana is trading at around $197. Analysts are overwhelmingly bullish. Multiple forecasts see Solana pushing toward the $230 to $290 range by the end of the year. More aggressive models from some analysts are calling for $550 if its current growth continues. Looking further out, some predict Solana could even touch $1,000 in the next year or so. If Solana manages to keep chipping away at Ethereum's market share, a 10x return from its 2024 lows isn't just a fantasy, it's a real possibility. A move to $1,000 would give it a market cap that reflects its rise as a true challenger to Ethereum. The story of Solana in 2025 is the ultimate comeback story. It survived a crypto winter that would have killed most projects and came out stronger, faster, and more reliable. With game-changing tech finally coming online and a wave of institutional money at its back, Solana has set itself up as the top altcoin contender of this cycle. While there are definitely risks, the potential upside is hard to ignore. For anyone looking for that one investment that could be life-changing, the facts show that Solana might just be it. This isn't just hype anymore. It's backed by real-world adoption and powerful fundamentals. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. See you on the next one.